So, what are you waiting for? Last month, I reviewed 6 global concerns that could impact technology M&A. Just a refresh, they were geopolitical disruption, currency crisis, the world debt load, serious inflation, stock market adjustments, and the end of the current M&A cycle. With all that uncertainty, you might expect deal activity to slow. Absolutely not. In fact, we're seeing a historic opportunity for sellers. Just 1 quarter into 2025, M&A activity remains strong. In fact, at Corum, we've never seen this level of buyer interest in our 4 years of doing tech M&A. Hey, we've sold more tech companies than anyone. And the demand for technology companies is at an all-time high because of the record cash and a record number of buyers. Not just to buy, but also to invest. I asked the staff for a couple of stats. Right now, we're engaging with 19,000 buyers worldwide. We're currently negotiating 75 offers across 25 companies, and 18 of our clients have signed LOIs, which is a letter of intent, and they're currently navigating the due diligence process. We have companies in the market right now in sectors across the tech landscape around the world, from IT services, healthcare, and Fintech to emerging fields such as AI, cybersecurity, and cloud solutions. These companies are located around the globe, from the U.S. to Israel to New Zealand, reflecting the truly global nature of our industry. Today, we'll be talking about our hiatus program. It's the only one in the industry. I can tell you the firms that are coming off market who have been on hiatus are excited because they're now seeing offers in what we call a strike zone that they didn't see before. And offers are not just large firms making moves, but mid-market transactions are also surging as companies recognize the opportunity to acquire niche players, including international firms, that provide strategic advantage in competitive industries. What's this mean for you? Well, if you've been thinking about selling your company, now is the time to act. Valuation remains strong, interest is high, and buyers are ready to engage. Let me close by telling you a little story. It happened to me this morning before I was going to record this. I was on a conference call with the CEO of a company whose board is balking at going to market. And he has the same concerns as all of you. Money and marketing. He needs more cash. He's got to get his sales up. They're thinking about maybe doing another raise and then going to market. My response after listening to him is tell your board to wake up. IPOs, debt, venture capital, and venture debt are pretty much closed down right now. But the M&A market is hot. Look, from what you've told me, you need a partner. Your situation is no different than most companies we represent. You have a great idea, a better product, better mousetrap, but you don't have the marketing muscle. You need somebody that has the trade name, feet on the street, and user base that you don't have. I can tell you the first thing to do when they acquire you, they can raise prices by 20%. So they can make this very profitable. Think about this for a second. What would happen if all the people in the world who need to know about you did know about you in the best possible way? Do you think stuff happens? I've been doing this for 40 years. Things happen immediately. You get great feedback, ideas about how to improve, take advantage of some of the new paradigms like AI. You open doors. Some of these people may be customers or marketing partners, and you hope to get an offer, be it a strategic buyer or a recapitalization. Don't rule out recapitalizations. Your board is worried about doing funding, but the reality is that the best way to look at that is to look at recapitalizations and strategic options at the same time. A recapitalization, I don't want to dwell on it this report, but basically that's redoing your cap table, some new investors, new money, maybe taking some old stuff, old folks out. And let me close by asking you, what are you waiting for? Look, if you're interested in exploring your options, connect with us. Let's have a private conversation about what we think about your opportunities in the market. And we can help you navigate the process and position your company for maximum price, best structure, and minimal liabilities, what we call the optimal outcome.